Hey Stephanie, this is Jason from Virginia Beach Web Designs. Thank you for taking my call earlier today, and thank you for clicking on this video. What we're going to be briefly talk about today is 3 easy ways to improve your website so you can start bringing in more customers. And if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to learn to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. So, what's holding most business owners back from hiring marketing agencies? They don't know who's an expert and who is not. So, I found by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners do this for themselves. Some call me back and ask me for help. So, if you want some help with this, give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do it yourself, please do. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, we're going to look at your website. Um, the colors, great. The content is pretty decent. Look like you have about 1,000 words of content, but a big obstacle here is your banner across the front is taking up more than half of the screen here, so I'm not able to actually read or enjoy the content. So that's something we can do really quick as a quick fix. Okay. Again, you do have a decent amount of content with 1,000 words of content on this front page, but the average front page on a Google site has about 1,900 words. So no matter how your site looks, Google ranks on content. Okay, they want to find the website that's going to answer the customer's question, and it's usually the website that has the most words. Okay, when you have the most words, you're generally going to have more of the keywords as well that customers are searching for. Okay, so for an example, Rotor, who rank just above you in the organic search, have about the same amount of content, but I'm guessing they probably have more keywords. Okay, so you can see their site's laid out similar to yours. It functions a little bit better because of that banner on yours, but same amount of content, probably more keywords. And then uh, if you want to look at a company that's killing it with content, here's Atomic Plumbing, and they have over 5,000 words of content. So they're able to use all the keywords and have all the content. So they're seen as the utmost expert in plumbing in Virginia Beach right now. Okay, so just by adding up to 1,500 or 2,000 keywords, you can rank up there in that second spot above Rotor. And if we can get this banner fixed, we can have a more presentable site as well. So after that, you're going to make yourself trustworthy, and Google judges you based off of how many other websites are linking to you. So you want to get relevant, powerful websites linking to you. So other plumbers don't have to be in this area, but you need lots of what we call backlinks. Okay, and so you're going to get a lot more power from someone like a plumber rather than like Pizza Hut because Google knows you're not a pizza company. Okay, so I go into this tool called Ahrefs, and we can look at the backside of websites and see what's going on. So you guys are doing pretty good when it comes to backlinks. Okay, 58 referring domains, 368 backlinks. Okay, this is driving this much traffic every month, and it's worth this much value. Perfect. That's doing you what head and shoulders above 99% of them. Okay. Um, Here's what Rotor looks like. So with fewer referring domains, they're getting more backlinks. Not as much traffic, but the same value. Okay. And then again, Atomic, who's killing it. Look at that value right there, and look at that traffic. I know you would not turn down $9,800 every month. So all we have to do is go in and look at the referring domains here, see which ones are working for them, and get you referred off those domains as well. It's called copycat method. Pretty easy. Doesn't take that long at all. Doesn't cost anything. Okay. So last thing, when someone types in Virginia Beach plumber, okay, or plumber Virginia Beach, they're looking to buy. Okay. So the first plumber that shows up who seems trustworthy, you want to be that plumber because those are the easiest customers to close. So people skip these ads up here generally because they either don't trust them or had a bad experience with them, or they may even have an ad blocker. Okay, I know I don't use ads. I would shy away from them. So the sweet spot here is what we call Map Pack, or Google My Business area right here. And how you get here is by having your name, address, and phone number on as many directories uh, on the web as possible. Okay, these are called citations. Okay, so directories are like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are all the ones you've heard of, probably even might be using. Excuse me. So it's very easy. We go in and see what A1 Sewer and Drain is looking, what Mr. Rotor is looking at, what Performance Plumbing is doing, and we can grab those directories that they're on and get our site on that directory as well. And pretty soon you'll be ranking up there and getting on this front, what we call Map Pack, and that's money right there. That's where people find who they're going to do business with. Okay. So that's all I got for you today. I hope it was informative. As a quick recap, you're going to get your website with more keywords up to like 2,000 words. You're going to want to have uh, maybe at least 100 more of those backlinks that are working for you. And then we're going to get a lot more of your name, address, and phone number in the directories like your competition has over here. So if you want to do it all yourself, please do this. It's free education. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. All I'm asking for in return is a little bit of feedback. So drop me a line or two. Tell me how you feel. If there was value in this video. If you want to help doing it, give me a call. My phone number is right here, and it's 757-354-2802. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.